Welcome to Bible Stories for Kids. Join us on an amazing journey through the most inspiring tales from the Bible. Discover lessons of faith, courage, and kindness as we bring stories like Noah's Ark, David and Goliath, and more to life, fun, simple, and perfect for young hearts.
Abraham's ordinary life. Once upon a time, there was a man named Abraham. He lived in a land called Haran. Abraham was a kind man, and he loved his family and cared for his animals. He didn't know it yet, but God had something very special planned for him. God's promise to Abraham. One day, God spoke to Abraham. He told him, "Leave your country, your family, and your father's house. Go to the land I will show you. I will make you into a great nation, and I will bless you." Abraham had never heard such a thing before. He didn't know where this land was, but he trusted God's promise. Abraham's journey begins. Abraham believed in God and decided to obey. He, his wife Saint Sarah, and his nephew Lot packed everything they had and began their journey. It wasn't easy leaving their home, but Abraham knew God would guide them to a new and wonderful place. Along the way, Abraham built altars to worship God and thank Him for His blessings. God's blessing and promise of a great nation. Abraham's faith in God. Abraham trusted God, even when he didn't know where God was leading him. His faith and obedience to God's promises made him a very important part of God's big plan. Abraham believed, and God blessed him just like He promised. We can trust God too, because His promises always come true. Finally, Abraham reached the land of Canaan. God spoke to him again and said, "This is the land I will give to your children." Abraham felt so happy because he knew that God's promise would come true. He was going to be the father of a great nation. Abraham praised God, knowing that his faith had brought him to this special place. Trust in God, and amazing things can happen. This story highlights Abraham's faith and how God chose him for a special mission. Through Abraham's journey, children can learn about trusting God's promises, even when the path isn't clear.
God spoke to Abraham one starry night. He said, "Leave your home and trust in my light. I'll bless you, Abraham, with promises true. A great nation will come all through you." Faith in God can change it all. He'll guide you, big or small. Trust in His love, His word is right. With God's promise, we shine so bright. Abraham obeyed with faith in his heart. He packed up his things and made a new start. God said, "Look at the stars up above. Your family will grow all through my love." Faith in God can change it all. He'll guide you, big or small. Trust in His love, His word is right. With God's promise, we shine so bright. Abraham's journey wasn't always clear, but God's voice gave him strength, took away fear. He He trusted God's plan both day and night, believing in promises shining so bright. Faith in God can change it all. He'll guide you, big or small. Trust in His love, His word is right. With God's promise, we shine so bright. God's blessing came just as He said. Abraham's family forever led. By trusting in God, his faith grew strong. And now we sing his journey in song. Faith in God can change it all. He'll guide you, big or small. Trust in His love, His word is right. With God's promise, we shine so bright. With God's promise, we shine so bright.
Thank you for watching. This video was proudly produced by City Media Production, bringing your stories to life with creativity and precision. For more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and follow us for updates.